Oh, it is love from the first time I set my eyes upon yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oh dear, it's been hardly a moment and you are already missed. There is still a bit of your skin that I've yet to have kissed. Oh, say please do not go, but you know, oh, you know that I must. Oh, say I love you so, but you know, oh, you know you can trust. We'll be holding hands once again. All our broken plans I will mend, and I will hold you tight so you know it is love from the first time I pressed my hand into yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oh dear, it's been hardly 3 days yet, long to feel your embrace. There are several days yet until I can see your sweet face. Oh, say, wouldn't you like to be older and married with me? Oh, say, wouldn't it be nice to know right now that we'll be someday holding hands in the end. All our broken plans will abandon.